I'll show you how to edit your header section and add a logo. Simply click the header section at the top of the page, and then click Edit Header. This opens the Setter Headings dialog, and here you can see that there are 4 tabs to manage your header: Layout, Elements, Logo, and Style. Let's start with Logo. If you have a logo already, you can click the Replace Image button to upload your logo file from your computer. If you don't have a logo yet, you can click Use AI to create a unique logo. This will open a new tab with the Hostinger AI Logo Maker. And here you can see at the top there is a prompt field where you add details for what you want for your logo. Next to it, there is a category dropdown where you can select what type of logo you want. Here it seems to have automatically selected eco-friendly or natural, which makes sense for the tea shop. And there's a gear icon where you can toggle the switch to make your logo colorful. Let's add in a prompt for my logo. We'll ask for a logo for the Gentle Kettle, a cozy tea shop in California. Then click Create to generate your logo. It'll take a minute or two to generate your logo, and when it's done, you'll be presented with 4 icons you can choose from. These icons are the basis of your logo, which you'll add text to. Pick the one you like, hover over it, and click Edit Logo. This will open the Logo Customizer. Here you can add your name and a slogan if you have one. And if you scroll down, you can look through the gallery of font recommendations. If there's one you like, you can click it to apply it to your logo. Or if there's a specific font you want to use, you can click the font family dropdown and find it in the list. In my case, the website is already using the Jung font, so I'm going to find that one and select it from the list to match everything else. Next, you can adjust the layout of your logo by clicking the Layout tab at the top left. There you can adjust your icon scale, the space between your icon and text, and the position of your icon relative to the text. Personally, I like it when the icon is on the left and the text is on the right. When you're happy with how your logo looks, you can click the Download button and then save it to your computer. To see your logo files, open the folder where you saved your logo, unzip the file, and then you've got a favicon and your logo as a PNG. When you're done making your logo, you can close out the Hostinger AI Logo Maker tab and return to the Hostinger Website Builder. To add your logo, click back in to Edit Header, Logo, and then Replace Image and upload the file from your computer. That'll add it to your media library, and from there you can click Select to insert the logo. And now you can see the logo has been swapped out. And if you want to adjust the size of the logo, in the header settings under Logo, change the logo width slider until your logo is the desired size. Now that we've got our logo swapped out, let's adjust the appearance of the header, starting with the Layout tab. In the Layout tab, if you scroll down, you can rearrange the position of the logo, the menu, and other header elements. Personally, I like this first option, so I'll keep that. You can also adjust the spacing of all the elements in the header. Next, if you click the Elements tab, you'll see 3 toggle switches to show and hide various elements. The first one is the logo, which we already have toggled on here. You also have a toggle switch to show social icons, and you can edit the links for your social icons by clicking the Edit Social Icons button. You can also toggle to show a button. This button is useful as a CTA, or call to action, for the main thing you want visitors to do when they land on your website. For example, I know that most people who come to the Gentle Kettle website are likely looking for the tea menu and not social media accounts. So in my case, I'll toggle off the social icons, and then what if, for our button, we make that our link to our menu instead of including that as a navigation item. To do this, let's go to the left side and click Pages, move the menu down to the Hidden from Navigation section, click Edit Header, click Elements, click Edit Button, and then where it says Link to, Page is correct, and then where it says Select Page, click that dropdown and select Menu. Next, we'll change the button text to say Menu. And now, when someone clicks our Menu button, it'll take them to the menu page. Finally, let me show you how to update the header style, and I'll return to the home page for this. In the header settings, if you click the Style tab, you have a few options here with the drop-down at top. If you click Header, it shows you your style options for the header. If you click Button, it shows you the style options for the button. Same thing with the social icons. For the header, you can toggle between a transparent header and non-transparent. Right now, ours is not, but here's what it would look like if we toggled it to transparent. You can also change your text font for the menu items as well as the header text color.